Hi students, this is Shahin. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss intermediate second year 2A partial fraction rule 4. Okay, today we will discuss rule 4 example problems and related exercise problems. Okay, Sima, let f of x by g of x be a proper fraction if n is belongs to n natural number. Okay, is the largest exponent so that ax square plus bx plus c whole power n. In rule 3, ax square plus bx plus c only. Okay, only a quadratic equation is there, but here exponent form, power form is there. A is not equal to 0 is a factor of g of x, then corresponding to each such factor there will be partial fractions of the form like this. Okay, we will discuss example problems. First one, solve problems. First one, x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 whole divisible by x square plus 1 whole cube into partial fraction. Okay, see, let x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 by x square plus 1 whole cube equal to, here x square term is there, so you can take ax plus b whole divisible by x square plus 1. Again continue with cx plus d x square plus 1 whole square. Next ex plus f whole divisible by x square plus 1 whole cube. Next continue the process same, ax plus b LCM is x square plus 1 whole cube, x power 4 plus 24 x square plus 28 whole divisible by x square plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so x square plus 1 whole square plus cx plus d into x square plus 1 plus ex plus f into, not there, that's it. Okay, whole cube cancel. Okay, next what remain, x power 4 plus 24x square plus 28 equal to ax plus b into x square plus 1 whole square cx plus d into x square plus 1 plus ex plus f. We can simplify a plus b whole square form. Expand this one. Ax plus b into a square whole square means power 4 plus 1 plus 2x square plus cx plus d into x square plus 1 plus ex plus f. Ax power 5 plus ax plus 2ax cube plus bx power 4 multiply with b plus b plus 2bx square. Next this term cx cube plus cx plus dx square plus d plus ex plus f. You can common x power 5 terms. It has only one term is there, a. Okay, plus x power 4 terms only b. X cube terms 2a plus c. X square terms 2b plus d. X terms a plus c plus e. Constants B, D and F. This is equation 1. You can write left side of the equation also. Okay. Now comparing x power 5, x power 4, x cube, x square, x and constants on both sides in equation 1. Okay. X power 5 term, see, not there. 0 equal to a. So a value is 0. X power 4 terms 1 equal to b. So b value is 1. X cube terms 2a plus c equal to 0. So 2a means 0 plus c. 0 plus c equal to 0, c equal to 0. X square terms 24 equal to 2b plus d. 24 equal to 2 times of b value is 1 plus d. 24 equal to 2 plus d. 22 equal to d. So d value is 22. X terms here not there. 0 equal to a plus c plus e. 0 equal to a value is 0, c value also 0 and e equal to 0. Next we want constant f term. So f term means constants. Constants means 28 equal to b plus d plus f. 28 equal to b value is 1, d value is 22 plus f. 28 equal to 28 equal to 23 plus f. 28 minus 23 equal to f. F equal to 5. Therefore, x power 4 plus 24 x square plus 28 whole divisible by x square plus 1 whole cube equal to a. A means 0 into x plus b means 1 by x square plus 1 plus c means 0 into x plus d means 22 by x square plus 1 whole square plus e means 0 into x plus f means 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. So 1 by x square plus 1, 22 by x square plus 1 whole square, 5 by x square plus 1 whole cube. This is the required partial fraction. Okay. Similarly, you can solve remaining 3 problems. One example solved problem and remaining 2 problems are exercise problems. Okay. Next, solve problem 2. X plus 3 by 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square. Okay. Let x plus 3 by 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square. See here rule 1 is there. 1 minus x whole square. It's a rule 1. So this is rule 3. Okay, here rule 1 and rule 3 problems are there. Okay, you can solve like this. 1 by 1 minus x, a by 1 minus x, b by 1 minus x square plus here square term is there in inside of the equation. cx plus d by 1 plus x square. We can write like this. Okay, x plus 3 by 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square equal to LCM is 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square. A into 1 minus x plus b into 1 plus x square plus b into 1 plus x square plus cx plus d into 1 minus x square. Okay, x plus 3 equal to a into 1 minus x into 1 plus x square, b into 1 plus x square, cx plus d into 1 minus x whole square. This is equation 1. You can take like this. Simplify. A into 1 plus x square minus x cube plus b into 1 plus x square plus cx plus d into a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus ax square minus minus ax minus ax cube. Okay, b plus bx square, cx plus cx cube. Okay, minus 2cx square plus d plus dx square minus 2dx. You can common x cube terms, minus a plus c. X square terms, a plus b minus 2c plus d. X terms, minus a plus c minus 2d. Constants, plus a plus b plus d. This is equation 2. X plus 3 equal to. Now put 1 minus x equal to 0, x equal to 1. Substitute in equation 1, we get b value. Okay, now comparing x cube, x square, x and constant terms like this. Okay, see my here. We can solve these two equation 2 and 3. 3 and 4. Minus a plus c equal to 0. A plus b plus b minus 2c plus d equal to 0. You can cancel either c or d. You can multiply with 2. This equation multiply this equation with 1. So minus 2a plus 0b plus 2c plus 0 into d equal to 0. A plus b minus 2c plus d equal to 0. So cancel. Minus a plus b plus d equal to 0. This is equation 7. Now solve these two equations, 6 and 7. Okay. 6. A plus b plus d equal to 3 minus a plus b plus d equal to 0. Okay, plus minus minus minus, cancel these two. 2a equal to 3, a equal to 3 by 2. Now substitute here a value. Minus 3 by 2 plus c equal to 0, c equal to 3 by 2. Now we want d value. Okay, you can use this one, either this one. Okay, a value is 3 by 2. I will solve here. Substitute a, b and C values in equation which one we can take? 4. A plus B plus not plus, minus 2C plus D equal to 0. A value is 3 by 2 plus B value is 2 minus 2 into 3 by 2 plus D equal to 0. 2 cancel. 3 by 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus D equal to 0. 3 by 2 minus 1 plus D equal to 0. So cross multiply, you can solve this one only. 3 minus 2 by 2 plus D equal to 0. 1 by 2 plus D equal to 0. D equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, question mark, x plus 3 by 1 minus x whole square into 1 plus x square equal to A value is 3 by 2 by 1 minus x. B value is 2 by 1 minus x square. C value is 3 by 2 into x plus D value is minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus or minus 1 plus x square. Simplify this one. 3 by 2 times of 1 minus x plus 2 by 1 minus x whole square. LCM is 2. So 2 into 1 plus x square. 3x minus 1. Okay. X plus 3 by 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. So this is the required partial fraction. Next problem. Exercise problem number 4. So square is there, so you can take like this. X square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 whole square equal to LCM is x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. Okay, cancel this 2. X square plus 1 equal to ax plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d. Simplify this one. Ax cube plus ax square plus ax plus bx square plus bx plus b plus cx plus d. We can common x cube terms, only a is there. X square terms a plus b. X terms a plus b plus c. Constants b plus d. This is equation 1. X square plus 1. Comparing x cube, x square, x and constants on both sides in equation 1, we get x cube terms 0 equal to a, so a value is 0. X square terms 1 equal to a plus b, a value you know 0 plus b equal to 1. X terms 0 equal to a plus b plus c. So 0 equal to a value is 0, b value is 1, c equal to c value is minus 1. Now you can compare constant terms. 1 equal to b plus d. So b value you know 1 plus d. So d value is 0. Substitute. Okay. So the required partial fraction this one. Fifth one. Problem. X cube plus x square plus 1 by 1 minus x into x cube minus 1. X cube minus 1 means x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Okay. So you can use here x cube plus x square plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square into x square plus x plus 1. Okay, rule 2 and rule 3 methods. Plus b by x minus 1 whole square cx plus d by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, x cube plus x square plus 1 by x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. A into x minus 1 plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into x minus 1 whole square. Okay, x cube plus x square plus 1 equal to a into x minus 1 b into x square plus x plus 1 cx plus d into x minus 1 whole square. This is equation 1. X cube plus x square plus 1 equal to a into x minus 1. Simplify this equation. X square plus x plus 1. Sorry, here x square plus x plus 1 is there. Okay, x cube plus x square plus 1 equal to a into x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 plus b into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into x minus 1 whole square. A into x cube plus x square plus x minus x square minus x minus 1. B into x square plus x plus 1 plus cx plus d into a minus b whole square. A square minus plus b square minus 2ab. A x cube, cancel these terms, minus a plus b x square plus bx plus b plus cx cube plus cx minus 2cx square plus dx square plus d minus 2dx. You can common x cube terms. Okay, a plus c, x square terms, b minus 2c plus d, x terms, b plus c minus 2d, constants, minus a plus b plus d. Okay, x cube plus x square plus 1. This is equation 2. Comparing, first put here x minus 1 is there. Okay, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 1 in equation 1. We get 1 cube means 1, 1 square means 1, plus 1 equal to 0, plus b of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. So 3 equal to 3b, b equal to 1. Now comparing x cube, x square, x and constants on both sides. Okay, x cube term 1 equal to a plus c. X square terms 1 equal to b minus 2c plus d. X terms 0 equal to b plus c minus 2d. Constants 1 equal to minus a plus b plus d. Okay, now see, this is equation 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now solving these two equations 4 and 6, we get b minus 2c plus d equal to 1 minus a plus b plus d equal to 1. Okay, plus minus minus plus b minus b cancel, plus d minus d cancel. Now a minus 2c equal to, here is minus, this one will cancel. Equation number 7. Now solve 3 and 7. A plus c equal to 1, a minus 2c equal to 0, minus plus minus. So 3c equal to 1, c equal to 1 by 3. Substitute c in equation 1 here. 1 equal to a plus c, 1 equal to a plus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to a equal to 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 3. You know a b c values. Now we want d value. Substitute sorry, a b and c values in equation 6. We get minus a plus b plus d equal to 1, minus a means 2 by 3, plus b means 1, plus d equal to 1, minus 2 plus 3 by 3 plus d equal to 1, 1 by 3 plus d equal to 1, d equal to 1 minus 1 by 3, d equal to 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 by 3. Okay, therefore x cube plus x square plus 1 by x minus 1 into x cube minus 1 equal to a value is 2 by 3 by x minus 1. B value is 1, 1 by x minus 1 whole square. C means 1 by 3 into x plus d means 2 by 3 whole divisible by x square plus x plus 1. Okay, 2 by 3 times of x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1 whole square, plus LCM is 3. So 3 times of x square plus x plus 1 in by power x plus 2. Okay, so this is the required partial fraction. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you so much to all.